Welcome to our guide on KuCoin account verification. Let's unlock the full potential of your crypto journey. Start by navigating to the verification section in your KuCoin account settings. This is where your journey begins. For individual verification, you'll need to submit some documents. Don't worry, it's simpler than it sounds. Next up is face verification. This step is crucial for your account's security and authenticity. Encountering issues? No problem. Here are some troubleshooting tips for common verification problems. If your first attempt doesn't succeed, don't stress. You can easily re-verify your account with these steps. For our US users, there are some special considerations. Let's explore KuCoin's specific policies for you. If you're a new user who registered after August 31, 2023, KYC verification is essential. Here's why it matters. For those who registered before August 31, 2023 and haven't verified, here are the limited services available to you. Need extra help? Here's how to contact KuCoin's customer support for personalized verification assistance. Let's recap the key steps and benefits of successful verification. You're almost there. Ready to unlock full access? Let's verify your account and explore all KuCoin has to offer. Don't wait. Click the link below to create your KuCoin account and start your verification process today.